Hello students, welcome back. So in the previous video we have done the explanation of the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, and in this video we shall do the question answer and the complete exercise of the poem. That includes reading is fun, word building, let's talk, say aloud, team time, let's write and let's listen. So let's start it. First is reading is fun. First question, what is the poem about? पोएम किसके बारे में है? द पोएम इज अबाउट द फियर ऑफ डार्कनेस एंड हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट फियर. पोएम अंधेरे से डर और हम उस पर कैसे काबू पाएं उसके बारे में है. वट हैपन्स व्हेन द डे इज ओवर. क्या होता है जब दिन खत्म हो जाता है. नाइट कम्स व्हेन द डे इज ओवर. दिन खत्म होने के बाद रात आती है. वट डज द अर्थ डू व्हेन द डे इज ओवर. दिन खत्म होने के बाद अर्थ क्या करती है. द अर्थ टेक्स रेस्ट व्हेन द डे इज ओवर. है ना, रात में अपनी अर्थ भी रेस्ट करती है. वट डज द पोइट वॉन्ट अस टू डू एट नाइट. द पोइट वॉन्ट्स अस टू थिंक अबाउट आवर फ्रेंड्स एट नाइट. है ना, पोइट कहता है कि अपने फ्रेंड्स के बारे में सोचो. आर दीज सेंटेंसेस ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट वन, द पोइट टेल्स द चाइल्ड टू बी अफ्रेड व्हेन इट इज डार्क. No, this is not right. This is false. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. Yes, this is true. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. Yes, this is also true. Now, word building. We have to join these two words to make a new word. Moon plus light, moonlight. Good plus night, good night. Water plus fall, waterfall. Break plus fast, breakfast. Day plus break, daybreak. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Now find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. Now we have to find the opposite word of these words. The opposite of war will be peace, and opposite of light will be dark. And the opposite of enemies will be friends, and the opposite of night will be day, and the opposite of gentle will be harsh, and the opposite of start will be cease. Look at these words in the poem. Don't, want. Here are their full forms. Don't, do not. Want, will not. So this is the full form. And don't, this is the sign of apostrophe, and this is a punctuation mark, and it can be used for different purposes. Here it is used to mark the omission of one or more letters. यानी कि अगर हमें एक या दो लेटर को लुप्त करना हो तो हम ये apostrophe साइन लगाते हैं. ये इसको हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं और ये इसकी फुल फॉर्म होती है. Now write the full forms of the following words. Didn't, did not, shouldn't, should not, wouldn't, would not, couldn't, could not, mustn't, must not. So this is the full form and this is contraction form. Now let's talk. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? क्या आप अंधेरे से डरते हो? क्यों? Yes, I am afraid of the dark because I see strange kind of images in the dark. है ना, अंधेरे में अगर हमारा कोई सामान भी रखा है तो हमें उसकी भी अलग अलग इमेजेस दिखने लगती है. What do you do when it is dark? जब अंधेरा हो जाता है तो आप क्या करते हो? I call my mother when it is dark. Have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. क्या आप कभी बहुत ज़्यादा डरे हो? अपने पार्टनर को इसके बारे में बताओ. Yes, I once got frightened with the sound of a kitten who was hiding under my bed in the dark. You can also write your own answers. Say aloud. What is the word that starts with T, rhymes with sees, and means to playfully make fun of? That is tease. Tease rhymes with seeds. What is the word that starts with C, rhymes with near and fear, and means easy to see, hear and understand? That is clear. Clear word also rhymes with near and fear. Now team time. Divide the class into 4 groups. Imagine life without the sun. Now you have to imagine that how would be the life without sun. If there is no sunlight, there would be darkness everywhere. अगर सनलाइट नहीं होगी तो हर जगह अंधेरा ही अंधेरा होगा, है ना। और आप अपना इमेजिनेशन करके कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। What are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? अगर सनलाइट नहीं होगी तो और क्या क्या हो सकता है। If there is no sunlight, we would not be able to see, है ना, अंधेरे में हमें कुछ दिखाई ही नहीं देगा। If there is no sunlight, there would no food for us, हमारे लिए खाना नहीं होगा। Because हम प्लांट से कितनी सारी चीज़ें लेते हैं और प्लांट अपना खाना सनलाइट से ही बनाते हैं। Climate will become very cold, और क्लाइमेट अपना बहुत ठंडा हो जाएगा। और अपना इमेजिनेशन करके कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। Then we would need electricity all time. या in short we can say that if there is no sunlight, then there is no life. Because सन नहीं होगा तो पेड़ पौधे नहीं होंगे, और पेड़ पौधे नहीं होंगे तो हम नहीं होंगे। Now let's write. The red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacups with similar sounding words. Note the example given. Two. Now 1, dear, sun. So these words also called homophones. Homophones means, homo means the same, एक जैसे, and phones means sound. जिन वर्ड्स की साउंड एक जैसी हो लेकिन उनकी स्पेलिंग और मीनिंग डिफरेंट हो, उन वर्ड्स को हम होमोफोन्स भी बोलते हैं। नाउ लुक एट सम मोर एग्जांपल्स। बियर, हील, वीक, मीट, राइट, peace. So these words also homophones. You can find more such words. Now complete the following sentences choosing the right word. The sum was dash difficult for the class to solve. Only dash students could do it. And the word is two and two. Then first will be two and second will be two. The sum was too difficult for the class to solve. Only two students could do it. Then there was only dash boy who dash the prize. There was only one boy who won the prize. The golden dash was very dash to him. The golden deer was very dear to him. Ramu's dash loved to play in the dash. Ramu's son loved to play in the sun. Read out the following phrases aloud. Divide them into loud and softer sounds. Clapping hands, a word moving, stamping feet, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, a feather dropping, an ant walking, a car moving, the wind blowing, shh, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. So these are the loud sounds and these are softer sounds. Clapping hands, stamping feet, a car moving, the wind blowing. And these are softer sounds: a word moving, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, an ant walking, a leaf falling, tiptoe, whisper, shh. So here we have completed the exercise of the poem. So thank you. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।